The SmaringWing hose clamp assortment kit uses 304 stainless steel, so the bands and fasteners feel solid, resist rust, and hold up well in damp or outdoor conditions. Instead of juggling a pile of fixed sizes, you get a long, continuous strap that you cut to length, which makes it easy to dial in a snug fit on odd-sized hoses and pipes. The worm gear mechanism tightens smoothly with a standard screwdriver, giving a firm, even grip around the hose without chewing up the material when installed correctly. In use, the clamps have shown strong resistance to pressure and twisting, so they stay locked and maintain a good seal on fuel lines, plumbing runs, and ventilation ducts. Being able to trim the metal band with basic hand tools and quickly add a fastener means you can assemble a custom clamp in under a minute, even in tight or awkward spaces. With 2 long rolls of strap and a generous pack of fasteners in one kit, it is well suited for home, automotive, marine, and light industrial projects where you need reliable, adjustable clamping on hand.